swinger, jungle VIP. I've reached the top and I had to stop. That's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man, go right into town. That'll be just like the other men. I'm tired of monkeying around.
All together now.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see it's true that it ain't like me. Can't learn to be you, man, too. Don't try to keep me, man, come. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire. Make my dreams come true. Give me the secret, man, come. Clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red fire, so I can be like you.
Here we go.
Wanna be like you. Wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see it's true.
Yes, see it's true.
That it ain't like me.
Like me.
Can't learn to be you, man, to everybody.
And you'll all be pleased to know that Mark, this is Mark in the corner, he's a member of the National Front. He tells me, oh sorry, National Trust. And on my right, in the matching strap and shirt here, well, she's my woman of gold, and she's not very old. She's my woman of gold, and she's not very old. She's my labor of love, I give her hot love. Good little dancer in the front here. She's faster than most, and she lives on the coast. She's faster than most, and she lives on the coast. Dream the two-penny prince, I give her hot love. See my witch, but I love the way she twitch. My witch, but I love the way she twitch. I know so.
He's over the opinion.
I'm ever up now, I give her hot love.
Tell me, have you dreams I can see? I came along just to bring you the sun. Won't you spare some dreams for me? You won't have that me, you'll soon forget me. So don't mind me snapping at your heels. I'm asking you if I can fix a rendezvous. All your dreams are all I believe. Everybody, all together! Meet me on the corner where the lights are coming on, and I'll be there. And I promise I'll be there. Down the empty streets will disappear into the dawn. You have dreams enough to share.
We're going to do a song by a fella called Throw Your Hat Over Here. Funny name for an act, but he shortened it to Chuck Berry. Chairman. Here we go. It's called Memphis, Tennessee. Right, good tempo this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long distance information to Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party to try to get in touch with me. She could not leave a number, but I know a place to call. Cause the phone boy took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Help me information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who informed me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high up on a ridge, just a half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge.
Oh, Colin, he's not dancing, it's just as a wasp off.
You know, hold on a second, well, that's great. Don't have one good, that's If anybody would like some anti-wasp stuff here, it's 50 pence a spray for 2 seconds.
Is that ball aerosol?
Is it the ball type? No, it's for under my arms. The judging for the pet show is at 1 o'clock. And by the look of some of these kids I've seen around here today, you want to get them ended, right? They're mostly being well behaved, but the pet show, the judging's at 1 o'clock, right? No, there's no vegetable show this year. It's been a bad turnout. I reckon last year was the worst when a tin of peas won. That one's with Kelly. Hey. Here we go. I'm a yesterday man. Well, my friends, that's what I am. I'm a yesterday man. Well, my friends, that's what I am. Oh, that's what I am. A yesterday man. Well, tell me, someone, have you met an angel? Someone who loves you to live on earth. Yesterday, you know, I met an angel. She wasn't worth all she seemed to be worth. Oh, what a fool I have been. I wish you had taken in. Now I'm a yesterday man. Well, my friends, that's what I am. Whoa. I'm a yesterday man. Well, my friends, that's what I am. Oh, that's what I am. A yesterday man. Well, there's some of the good and there's some of the bad kind. Some of the others are in between. Yesterday, you know, I met the worst kind. I think you know just what I mean. In spite of all I can say, I'll take her back any day. Now I'm a yesterday man. Well, my friends, that's what I am. Yes, I'm a yesterday man. Well, my friends, that's what I am. Oh, that's what I am. A yesterday man. You know, I know, I know, I know, I know it, babe. Yes, I'm a yesterday man. I'm a yesterday man. Desmond does a barrow in the marketplace. Molly is a singer in the band. Desmond says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And in the evening she's a singer with the band. All together. Oh, la ting, oh, la ta, life goes on. Oh, oh, la, la, the life goes on. Oh, la ting, oh, la ta, life goes on. Oh, oh, la, the life goes on. You don't know what's going on. You've been away far too long. You can't come back. Thinking, will that not turn down? You're out of touch, my baby. My poor old-fashioned baby. I said, baby, 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 you're out of time. Come on, all the ladies. Baby, 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 you're out of time. I said, baby, 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 you're out